AppleCare One is finally stepping out of the US after a year of its launch. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. AppleCare One is now available in 4 more countries, including the UK, France, Germany, and Australia from August 4th this year. Apple said customers in the UK can now enjoy the trusted protection of AppleCare Plus in a way that's simpler and more flexible than ever before. With this, they'll get one plan, one price, and the peace of mind that comes with knowing all their eligible products can be covered. In the UK, the service will cost £16.99 per month for 3 devices, and you can add more for £4.99 per month per device. In France, it'll cost €20 per month and €5 per month for the same coverage. That compares to $20 a month for 3 devices and $6 per month for additional devices in the US. AppleCare One provides the same coverage as AppleCare Plus with theft and loss, including fast and unlimited repairs for accidental damage, battery replacement service, and 24/7 priority access to Apple experts. You can use AppleCare One to not only insure brand new devices, but also ones you already own, only if they're no more than 4 years old and in good condition. Along with AppleCare One, Apple's also bringing theft and loss coverage for iPad and Apple Watch to AppleCare Plus in the UK. Apple estimated that a customer protecting their iPhone, iPad, and Apple Watch together can save up to £11.48 per month, compared to maintaining separate AppleCare Plus with theft and loss plans for each device. Therefore, AppleCare One is best if you have higher-end devices, and in the US, this looks like an even better deal since AppleCare Plus prices just went up for Macs and iPads. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.